In many hospitals, children are not checked before a senior health worker examines them. As a result, some seriously ill patients have to wait a very long time before they are seen and treated. It has emergency triage, assessment and treatment, or ETAT. Many diseases in hospital occur within 24 hours of admission. Many of these diseases could be prevented if very sick children are identified soon after their arrival in healthy facility and treatment were started immediately. Therefore, a process of rapid triage for all children presenting to hospital needs to be put in place to determine whether any emergency or priority sign are present. So triage is the sorting of patients into priority groups according to their need and the resource available. Triage is the process of rapidly examining all sick children when they first arrive in hospital in order to place them in one of the following three categories. So it is based on standard protocol. Patients are triaged into three main categories: emergency, priority, and acute or non-urgent. Those with emergency signs or it requires immediate emergency treatment. Do the following immediately. Start to give appropriate emergency treatment. Call a senior health worker and other health workers to help and carry out emergency laboratory investigation. Those with priority sign indicating that they should be given priority in the queue so that they can rapidly be assessed and treated without delay. And those who have no emergency or priority signs and therefore are non-urgent or they are patients assigned as queue and can wait their turn in the queue for assessment. The other issue in the case of triage is when and where should triaging take place. Triage should be carried out as soon as a sick child arrives in the health facility, well before any administrative procedure such as registration. So this might require reorganization of the flow of patients in some location of the hospital. The other is who should do a triage. Overall, all clinical staff involved in the care of sick children can triage. But if possible, all such staff should be able to give initial emergency treatment. In addition, people such as gatemen, record clerks, cleaners, janitors who have early patient contact should be trained in triage for emergency sign and should know where to send people for immediate management. The other issue is the ABCDO concept. Triage of patients involves looking for signs of serious illness or injury or emergency signs. Emergency signs are A stands for airway, B stands for breathing, C stands for circulation, coma and convulsion, D stands for dehydration, especially severe dehydration, and disability. O stands for others such as immediate poisoning, major trauma with open fracture, immediate poisoning, especially within the first hours, bleeding child. So emergency signs include obstructed or absent breathing, severe respiratory distress, central cyanosis, signs of shock such as cold hands, capillary refill time longer than 3 seconds, weak and fast pulse, and coma. In addition, convulsion, signs of severe dehydration in a child with diarrhea, disability like motor deficits, other emergency such as bleeding child, immediate poisoning, major trauma, bleeding such as bleeding due to trauma, and spontaneous bleeding such as epistaxis, hematemesis, rectal bleeding, bleeding from umbilicus, and immediate poisoning, especially with ingested poison within 1 hour, and acute eye or skin poisoning. And the other emergency sign is compound or open fracture. Priority signs can be remembered with the symbols 3TPR MOB. 3T stands for tiny baby, any sick children aged less than 2 months. T stands also for temperature and trauma. If a child is very hot or very cold, and if there is trauma or other urgent surgical condition, we call it 3T. P stands for 3P, pallor, especially severe pallor and poisoning, and also pain. 3R stands for respiratory distress, restlessness, and referral, urgent referral. MOB stands for malnutrition, especially visible severe wasting, edema of both feet, and burns. For a child who does not have emergency signs, it takes on average 20 seconds to triage. The health worker should learn to assess several signs at the same time. Look as a child, observe the children for chest or breathing and priority signs such as severe malnutrition, and listen to abnormal sounds such as stridor or grunting. Colors can also be used in differentiating the three groups. Red striped to emergency, yellow for priority, and green for queen. So when we receive the sick child, we should have to first check for emergency signs. If there is no emergency sign, we should have to check for priority signs. Those are 3TPR MOB. But if there is emergency signs, we should have to intervene the identified emergency problem. If there is no emergency, no priority sign, send the child to the queen. This is a summary of what triage means and classification. Classification of a child that we receive in hospital into emergency, priority, and the queen. Thank you for watching.